Hello, welcome to another tutorial using SmartLink made by Gia Thinh Automation Service. The SmartLink tool helps bring these specific benefits. One of them being automatically updating data from a source sheet to multiple target sheets, and also allowing you to overwrite existing data and add new rows to multiple target sheets. So here in this demo, we'll clarify how to use the SmartLink function more clearly, specifically case 1 where we're able to update data and overwrite existing data in target sheets. So here we have a spreadsheet of an arbitrary company called ABC. And here we have columns of information where we have the employee name and other relevant employee information, including the department, the position that they're in, and the people that they report to. Now let's say we wanted to use this employee list sheet as a reference by other sheets that either need to use this information or to look up this data. So here we have a second sheet that holds the records for the training programs for the employees. So as you can see, we have things like the employee name and other corresponding information, such as the training courses, the completion date, or the certification status. So let's say we wanted to add a new employee into a new line on this sheet. And what we would expect is for the information related to the department and report to section to be automatically filled by the information from the initial sheet. So here, let's actually put it into practice. Here we're going to insert employee 11, who is going to be taking an arbitrary course called financial compliance. When we hit save, we would expect the department and report to section to be automatically filled based off of that first employee list sheet. So in this case, we would see the department be finance and the name of the person who employee 11 will be reporting to. And as you can see, this information matches up with the initial employee list information, where employee 11 belongs to the finance department and is reporting to this specific person in that department. Let's try to make a slight adjustment to this sheet. For example, let's say employee 11 moves from the finance department to the sales department, and their new job position is sales manager. Since they've moved to a new department, we would expect them to report to a different person. And in this case, let's say it's going to be Gia Thinh. Once we save this information, we would expect that all of this information be automatically updated on the second sheet, where employee 11 will now be a part of the sales department and report to a different person, and in this case, Gia Thinh. So now let's move on to the second case. And here we are going to show you how to update data and add new rows to the target sheet. Here we have a third sheet called the public employee list. And this public employee list is meant to be used for all members of the company to see. Now, this is considered a more condensed copy of the initial employee list. But instead of having sensitive information like the salary, the performance, and the work efficiency of each employee, this third sheet only includes the department and position information. So let's say when we change information related to the department or the position on the initial employee list, we would expect this information to automatically update on the public employee list. So let's actually try to test this out. Let's say, for example, we have two new employees, employee 21 and employee 22. Let's say both of these employees belong to the marketing department and are SEO specialists. When we save this information, we would expect all of this information to automatically be added to the public employee list. And here we can see if this happens. And as you can see, it did, where there are 2 lines that have been added and the corresponding information has been updated. Now, what if we assume that we wanted to change employee 21 and 22 from the marketing department to the sales department? So here we're going to change the department of these employees. And when we hit save, all of this information will be automatically updated on the public employee list, where employee 21 and 22 are now a part of the sales department. In this demo, we've provided information on how to use the SmartLink service using Gia Thinh's automation service platform. As you can see here, we have 2 SmartLink tasks, and one task is used to update employee information for the public and the other for training. Let's look at a specific task. As you can see, in the source section, we have chosen the ABC employee list, and we also have included the corresponding information within the columns. In the target section, we have chosen the public employee list with also the corresponding information in the columns. So as you can see, we can choose one or more sheets to be the target sheet so that when the source sheet updates, the target sheet will also automatically update. Additionally, we also have some options. Here we chose data mapping option as update data. Gia Thinh SmartLink can support another type of update called cell link data. And the option for overwrite existing data is yes or no. Add new rows is yes or no. Thank you so much for watching this presentation. If you have any questions or need advice, please contact us using this information below. We provide Smartsheet products and WeSmart and WeGrid solutions that help digitize and automate processes in your organization. Thank you.